Hello friends, welcome to my channel Adventure RC Era. So friends, today I am going to unboxing the one of my best hobby grade RC collection. This hobby grade RC car is 1:10 scale, 4x4 ready to run model. This is the UJI Toys brand and name of the RC car is Contender. So friends, let's open the box to see the looks of the RC car. So friends, this RC car is available in two colors, orange and green. I have a two-tone white and green color. So friends, let's check the specification of this RC car. Friends, comment me from where are you watching. This hobby grade RC car comes into 1:10 scale. You can compare with it 1:16 scale. You can check the size. It's come with detachable body clips and body shell is good looking with two-tone color of green, white with attractive stickers. You can check it now. It's a very nice car. So let's check its internal decomposition. Now you can see the internal look of the RC car. It's come with 7.4-volt lithium-ion battery with 2000 mAh powerful battery. This battery is very powerful. This battery can be supported to run this car for continuously more than 35 minutes. It's a very good feature. It's having powerful brushed DC motor which is generated heavy torque. Heat shrink is also available to cool down the motor temperature. ESC ampere is not mentioned, but it's having 65 ampere burst speed controller with receiver. Let's talk about its servo. It's come with 3-wire metal gear servo with heavy torque of 20 kg weight. This is 4x4 power RC car. It's having all alloy gear differential and connecting rods and metal drive shaft. Material quality is at par. Tires are coming with oversized rubber tire having a sponge inside which is supported in off-roading. One of the best thing in this car that it's come with all four metal hydraulic suspension inside oil. Also suspension springs are available with height adjustable feature. You can adjust the height of spring. Suspension are very good quality. Let's talk about the chassis. Center support connector is made up of plastic. If it's come with metal, that will be more effective. But one thing is best, that it's covered with heavy metal support under the chassis. You can see now. This is the metal part, which is very supported too as a safety guard. This also becomes the RC car unbreakable and no chance to break while off-roading in rocky surfaces. So its chassis are very durable. Its wheel arms are made of very hard plastic, which is very strong. It's having wheelie bars which supported to overturn RC car while running. Now let's check its transmitter. It's come with 2.4 GHz frequency, which supports the connection within 100-meter area. Transmitter having option of speed, high and low, front wheel trim. It's also having two buttons for headlight and rear light. So let's check its performance. First I cover up this car. Now transmitter is connected. Its transmitter having the setting of headlight. You can check. Devil eyes, full beam, off. It's also having the rear light setting. Rear tail lamp on, blinking. Now check its speed and power. This is the full throttle. It's perfectly performed the role. The manufacturer claimed the maximum speed is 46 km per hour, but I can surely say that it will be cross the barrier and set the benchmark. These are the standard accessories: user manual, some spare clips, battery charger, hexagonal wrench. So friends, I cover all the parameters of this hobby grade 1:10 scale RC car. I hope you like it. So friends, stay tuned to my channel Adventure RC Era to enjoy such kind of videos. I'll make more and more off-roading, speed testing and modification of this RC car. So thanks for watching. Shall meet in next video soon. Keep comments, keep watching, like, share, subscribe. Stay safe, stay healthy and keep enjoying. Thanks.